Hey, what's up, app Mafias? Welcome back. If you do not know me, my name is Hitesh Kohli and I'm an Android developer specifically, and I'm making a simple healthcare water tracking app and trying to release it on Google Play Store just for my own portfolio or maybe get some users and help them out. So that's the goal. If you have anything to add or to improve my videos, improve this app, anything that you want to share, this would be amazing. Comment down below. Now, this is my app right here. Of course, my name is not Hataish. This is the app right now. If you click here, you have some perks. The perks will be the streak. For example, you have one streak. It will be your first day actually recording your water intake. That will be added to your perk and saved into this perk collector. This is something interesting, like a little gamification into the app. And if you press right here, let's say like 500 and done. As you can see, this goes up, and also this meter fills up and it gives you a certain appreciation. Keep going, you're doing great. Now the target value itself is calculated during the onboarding. I have this your monthly report which says how many streaks you have. It's not working correctly right now. To do this today, try to make it work and try to implement some of the lists right here, like keep a bottle by your desk. These are some water goals that you can implement. Also, I'm thinking about adding a mark here to, just adding a button here so that you can add your own water goals. That'd be interesting to do. I'll quickly erase the storage of this app. Okay, and we can see that we get ourselves the onboarding. It's using an extension function to actually capitalize your first name. If I say H here, it will always capitalize my first letter. Now weight in kgs, I'm 72, done. Height is 172. How active are you? 5 to 6 days of workout, and done. It's calculating a water intake and it'll say 3.7 liters of water is what I require. We get 3700 ml. It's coming together. It's not there yet to be release worthy, but it's coming together. This is something interesting and I just wanted to share with you guys. Today's goal is to actually refactor my code. I was implementing my notifications, so I need to do that as well, and I need to actually store all of the values inside my database and erase them whenever the day ends. So this is how I'm working right now, and hopefully this is something interesting. Let's go ahead, let's try to do that, and I'll see you after a bit. So now my app actually has notifications and there are some bugs as well, but we'll ignore that part and look at notifications. Okay, I was able to actually add notifications. I will actually explain to you the logic behind my notifications and why does this app actually require notifications. Well, let's see the notification at its work. Now is 12:04 and the notification will come after a minute, so it will be 12:05. I'm waiting. Yep, the notification is here. Now what I'm doing is I'm getting rid of my app, and if I click on this, it will go back to my home screen. As you can see, it works perfectly. Now let me actually explain the logic behind why do I need notifications and how did I add them in my Android app. What I did was I actually made an alarm manager, and as you can see, the notification just popped up. I have triggered an alarm manager and it triggers around every single minute. It just triggers a pending intent, and the intent is caught by a broadcast receiver. It sends a broadcast, the broadcast receiver gets that intent, and from that intent we actually trigger a notification from a notification manager. So there are three things working together: alarm manager, broadcast receiver, and a notification manager. Now what I'm thinking about is every 2 hours I'll try to trigger this notification. So that's my planning. As of why I did it, it's because people will forget utility apps a lot. Like, it's not a game that people will come back to. We need to force them a little to develop a habit. So notifications is the best method to actually tell them, okay, it's time to drink water. Actually drink some water and track it right here. Notifications working. I'm totally happy about them. So for now, I actually enjoyed working on notifications and all of the alarm managers and stuff. I learned a lot and I did some refactoring of the code, but of course there's a lot more left. I expected too much from myself in a single day, but for now this will be it. And in the upcoming future, let's try to refactor the code, make sure every screen is working, make sure our database is working, and then release the app finally. Hopefully this is something amazing, and hopefully this is something that you guys are enjoying. For now, this is it, and I'll catch you next time. Bye bye.